Hello everybody, I am Grima and I'm a pediatric gastroenterologist from Malta. I am the current chair of Young ESPGHAN Committee. I would like to invite you all for ESPGHAN Congress 2025, which will be held in Helsinki between the 14th and the 17th of May. If you would like to be at the forefront of pediatric gastroenterology, hepatology and nutrition research, this is the Congress to attend. Join us in the vibrant and innovative city of Helsinki for ESPGHAN 2025. ESPGHAN 2025 will feature a comprehensive scientific program, and we have a few new workshops that should not be missed. We will focus our congress on endoscopy, gastroenterology, hepatology, nutrition, pancreatic diseases, and also very interesting, this year we will be having many more workshops on artificial intelligence as well as parenteral nutrition. It is an opportunity to network with leading experts and with colleagues from all around the world. I would like to invite you all to visit the Young ESPGHAN Lounge and to come and find us. We are always interested in meeting you and getting to know more of what needs our trainee members have. So I would like to finish this by saying welcome all to Helsinki for ESPGHAN 2025. I am very happy to see you.